Excuse me?
I'm gonna lay down now.
Did you smell that crisp air?
Oops, sorry. I tend to gas off after a big meal. Won't happen again. Oops. Okay, maybe it will.
You probably don't want to be standing behind me.
Oh, yeah.
My eyes! My eyes! They sting!
Sorry. I tend to gas off when I relax. Well, I don't like to mix sedimentary and igneous, but I miss breakfast, so a truck's gotta do what a truck's gotta do. Hope I don't regret it later.
It went in my mouth!
Or sooner.
Get away from me, garbage!
Sorry, Dozer. Let me turn around.
This is the worst thing that's ever happened to me. Garby!
Whoops, sorry. Didn't know I was loaded.
Say Oh, that is nothing like horse breath.
You get used to it.